Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world-class city of Chongqing. In the 2024 ranking of China's new first-tier cities, Chongqing ranks third. From the 3,000-year-old mountain city to the international internet celebrity metropolis. When you come to Chongqing, you are stepping into a real cyberpunk world. Neon skyscrapers light up the sky, monorails cut right through buildings, and the whole skyline feels like Blade Runner in real life. But Chongqing isn't just futuristic, it's a mountain city full of surprises. Take an elevator to the 10th floor of a mall, and suddenly you're standing on a street dozens of meters below. And of course, the food will steal your heart. Chongqing hot pot, bubbling with chili and beef tallow, is fiery, bold, and unforgettable, a taste of passion in every bite. First, the night view of Hongyadong Cave. Hongyadong Cave, built along the river, is a unique group of mountain stilt houses in Bayou regions. It is one of the must-see scenic spots in Chongqing with its dazzling lights at night. But it's always crowded. Suggest you to go to the Riverside Park. You can directly navigate to the Grand Theater. In Riverside Park, you can not only see the entire Hongyadong and Chonsamen Bridge, but also enjoy the most beautiful river view of Chongqing. Second, the Yangtze River Cableway. Chongqing's characteristic means of transportation, the cableway across the Yangtze River, is the only cross-river passenger ropeway in China. It's an important scenic spot for tourists to enjoy the night view and experience the mountain city's culture. Suggest you to the South Railway Station on Shongshan Street. There are fewer people, and you can experience the magic of Chongqing's transportation. Third, foods. When you come to Chongqing, you must try the food streets that are also loved by the locals. I don't recommend go to the Bayou food street. The food is not very authentic and the prices are not attractive. You can try Guanyin Bridge, which is recommended by the locals. The snacks here are very authentic. Fourth, the Shi Ba Ti. The passageways connecting the upper and lower levels of Chongqing, with each step presenting a new scene, are all unique mountain city features of Chongqing. It is recommended to the Mountain City Trail firstly, and then to the Shi Ba Ti. The Mountain City Trail offers a view of the river. You can enjoy the Guanyinqiao Old Tea House. It takes 8 minutes to walk from Shancheng Lane to the Shi Ba Ti. For Shi Ba Ti, I recommend these itineraries: hand shadow puppetry, fire breathing, acrobatics, Sichuan face-changing opera. They present the unique vitality of a mountain town. Fifth, Xiahaoli, hidden in the heart of Chongqing, is a living postcard of the old mountain city. Here you'll find centuries-old wooden houses, stone-paved lanes leading to retro shops, and above your head, monorails gliding straight through buildings. It's the soul of Chongqing, where history, culture, and street vibes blend into one unforgettable scene. Sixth, Liziba and the Zoo. The Liziba light rail passes through the building. You can view it from the driver's perspective in carriage number 1. The light rail runs through the building. Head straight to the next stop, Chongqing Zoo. Both of these scenic spots are located on Line 2 and are must-visit itineraries with children in Chongqing. You can see cute pandas in the zoo. There are also elephants, giraffes, and zebras. In the next issue, let's venture into Chongqing breathtaking natural scenery. Stay tuned. More China spots and guides come in non-stop. Got a place you want to check out? Drop it in the comments. I'll show you around.